Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. Look at this gorgeous 4-piece patio set that I was gifted. It is super high quality, gorgeous, very easy to put together. I love so many things about this. First of all, I love that you have a very sturdy metal base. So these are super strong. You have tempered glass on the table, so that is super high quality and it is going to withstand the elements. The rattan on here is PU material and the cushions are great. Peppa's paws are really dirty. These got a little muddy. We just wiped it off with a towel. If they get super dirty, you can just take them off with the zipper and pop them in the washer. Look how gorgeous this is. This comes in a bunch of different colors. So definitely check that out. Love everything about this, and it is so versatile. You can move this into different configurations, and it is just the perfect conversation set. You can see we are all loving it. The pillows are really, really nice. The back cushions are extra smushy, and the base is firmer. They have great rebound. Just so comfortable. I also love that the backs of these chairs recline slightly. They have that curved back, and you have a really nice big armrest. So incredible. These are going to last you for years to come. They are weather resistant and just the perfect addition to your patio or your backyard or your porch. We are really, really loving these.